Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this sweet, delicious, mouth-watering, yummy spaghetti you're seeing right here. This video was actually inspired by Ify Pinkies. I watched her video where she made spaghetti and I started craving for spaghetti. Though I didn't use everything that she used, okay? This is all I have in the house and this is what I'm going to be using to prepare my own spaghetti. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like, share and comment, okay? And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for your love, thank you for your support. If you watch my video guys and you love it, please help me to always click on the like button. It helps YouTube to recommend my video, okay? So guys, without further ado, let me introduce all you'll be needing to prepare this spaghetti. So guys, these are the list of the ingredients you'll be needing to make your stir-fry spaghetti. Here I have my carrots, my green pepper and my yellow bell pepper already chopped, as you can see. I have my cooked chicken here. You can use chicken breast if you have. Here I have my tomatoes, my red bell pepper, green bell pepper. I have my long red chili pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, okay? I have my chopped onions. I have my garlic and my ginger there. Yeah. I have my spring onions. I have my salt, my seasoning cube, my vegetable oil for cooking. So guys, let's get started. This recipe is so easy and it doesn't take much time. In less than 30 minutes you are done, okay? So let's start cooking, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. All right, so to start with, I will heat up some oil in the pan. I'm going to allow the oil to heat up now, and once the oil is hot enough, I will go in with my onions. I'm going to stir, allow the onion to release its beautiful fragrance in the oil, and then I will go in with my ginger and my garlic. I'm going to stir this, allow it to fry for about 2 minutes so that it can release its flavor into the oil, okay? Then I will go in with my tomato mix. I'm going to fry it now until the liquid is boiled down. I'm going to boil down the liquid. I will stir and allow it to fry. This should take for about 4 to 5 minutes, okay? Because the tomatoes I'm using is not much, so it's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I will go in with my seasonings. I'm using curry powder, I'll add in my thyme. I know I didn't introduce my curry and my thyme, but I'm using it. Sorry, I forgot to introduce them. I will go in with my seasoning cube. I'm using no chicken. I'm going to stir this very well. Then I will introduce my chicken, my already cooked chicken in. I will stir until everything is mixed in the chicken. I will go in now with my chopped carrots, my green bell pepper and my yellow bell pepper. I will go in with my spring onions. I'm going to stir this and allow it to fry for about 2 minutes because I still want to retain that crunchiness. Okay, I'm going to allow it to fry for about 2 minutes. Then I will bring it down and then boil down my spaghetti. Okay, I'm using one burner. If not, as I'm preparing my sauce, I'm cooking my spaghetti. Okay, you have to prepare down your sauce before cooking your spaghetti because you still want your spaghetti to be hot before introducing it to the sauce. If not, your spaghetti will be soggy and you will not like the outcome. So now just added this salt and I will go in with oil. I will allow it to boil before introducing my spaghetti. I'll cover the pot now and let this water boil. Then I will introduce my spaghetti. So guys, I'll be going in now with my spaghetti. So I'm going to cook this spaghetti for 7 minutes. Okay, then I will drain out the water and continue cooking our spaghetti. The 7 minutes after our spaghetti is ready, as you can see, time to drain it out. So right now I'm going to be adding in salt to our sauce because I've not added salt. I will add in my remaining onions. I'm going to stir this very well. Then I will go in with my spaghetti. If you have watched up to this point, guys, it means you love the video. Please help me to click on the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video. Okay, do not forget to share this video to your friends and family. So guys, I'm going to stir the spaghetti right now until the spaghetti is mixed so well in the sauce. Okay, this is what our spaghetti is looking like. Don't you love what you are seeing? So delicious, looking so yummy, guys. This spaghetti came out so well. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please, if you enjoyed watching this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment on my video, and share my video to your friends, share to your family members. Okay, so guys, until I come here next time, please stay safe and do not forget to go out there and vote. Okay, election is in 2 days. Go out and vote. It's your right to vote. Okay, go and vote P2B for president. Don't vote wisely, just go out and vote for P2B. Okay, all right guys, bye.